Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. I am Asharib. So in this video, I'll discuss about how to create projects with Shopify as a backend and Next.js as a frontend. So let's get started with our video. So initially we have to go to Google and then simply search here Next.js Commerce GitHub and open this first link and then simply scroll down and click on this integration guide. This is our all-in-one guide that we follow in our video, so stay tuned with me and inshallah we'll create a project with it. So as you can see that initially we have to configure our Shopify. So to configure Shopify, we use Shopify partners account. So let's go to Shopify partners and become a Shopify partner today, and then simply click on join now and then sign up with your account. I have already signed up my account, so but yeah, I'll do it again. Simply next pan hours shop and then email so after that we have to put our address here. I'll put it simply here and then simply click on next. No thanks, and my job title is developer and my phone number is this. I have to simply click on I have read and agree to the partner program agreement, and I just simply click on submit. So let's wait a bit to complete this account. Okay, now we have to verify this email address. I'll verify it. I'll simply go to Gmail and then I will simply verify it. Okay, so I'll just simply click on verify email and let's wait. Okay, so this email is being verified. Let's wait a bit. So yeah, okay, so now we have to download the Headless CMS theme. So we'll simply download it from here. I just click on Shopify Headless theme and then I'll simply click on download theme. Download, I click download, open. Okay, I have already downloaded. Okay, and then I simply go to Shopify and go to stores, and then I will simply click on create a development store. So create a store to test and build. Store name pan hours shop. Okay, latest build, developer preview, start with test data and then create development store. So let's wait a bit until it complete, and then I will simply go to here online store and then simply click on here themes. So yeah, okay, now I have to simply just click on add theme and upload zip file. I'll upload the zip file. This zip file is basically this one that we have already downloaded in our OS. So I will simply click on add file. I have it on desktop. I'll simply click it and upload file. So installing theme. Okay, now so I have to click on customize and Then I will paste the redirect URL here. So I'll just click on here, settings, the storefront, and host name is as for now I doesn't host a project, but yeah, I'll do it. So I just give it a random Vercel posting domain, Shopify, our shop dot Vercel.app. Okay, so I have to just click on publish and save and publish. Okay, all right, great. Okay, now let's see what's our next step. Okay, so okay, now we have to download Headless from their apps. So I'll just go to here apps. I'll simply search Headless. So okay, so we have to download this one or install this one. I'll just click on install. Okay, now I just simply click on add sales channel. There's a problem loading this page. What happened with it? So, okay, I think it is successfully installed on our setup. I just simply click on create a storefront and then simply click on getting started guide, but I doesn't follow this one. I just simply click on storefront API. I just click on manage and I have to copy this public access token. So I simply copy it and will create APIs. Public access token. Okay, private access token. Just simply copy it and simply paste it directly here. Okay, so now let's see what's our next step. We have done this. Okay, great. So now we have to configure these settings in our Shopify. So even thought you are creating a headless store, there's a few assets Shopify will control. This one is checkout, emails, order status, and order history, favicon for any Shopify controlled pages. So I did not customize it as for now. So I'll just go to next step. Okay, so now we have to configure Shopify webhooks. So utilizing Shopify webhook and listening for selected Shopify webhooks event topics, we can use Next.js on demand revalidation to keep data fetches indefinitely cache until data in the Shopify store changes. So we have to pre-configure these webhooks in our Shopify account. So I will simply configure it. You have to simply go to settings and then you have to go to here notification. Okay, in the notification session you have to scroll down a bit and then simply click on here create webhook. So I will create a webhook for this we have to follow this guideline that they have already given here. So okay, initially I have to generate a random UUID. I will simply generate it from this website. I will simply copy this one. Okay, and then what we have to do, this secret will be used when we configure environment variables. Okay, so configure Shopify Webhook and Shopify admin, navigate to your notification and add to all the 6 events given above. Add webhook. Okay, so for webhooks we have to do something extra. We have to install and configure ngrok. So initially we have to create an account on it. I'll simply click on this one, this link. So okay, I will simply log in it with my account, just because I have already signed up with this. Okay, so now I will simply configure it, install and configure a project. What you have to do is just simply I am on Windows, so I'll just simply click on Windows and install it via Chocolatey, or simply download a zip file. So I'll simply download a zip file. I'll click on download, and then if it exists then simply open it, and I will simply extract it to desktop. So let's see what it shows. I'll simply click on here ngrok. Okay, so after opening it we have to configure it. I will simply configure it. This is the configuration link, and this is the configuration command that we have to paste. We'll simply copy it and paste it directly here. Then we'll do the steps in breakpoint. Simply copy this play and simply paste it directly here, and I just click on enter. Okay, so authentication token saved to configuration file. Now what I have to do is just clone this project in our setup. So I will clone it. I'll just simply click on code and copy this HTTPS link, and then simply go to and create a project here. No, I'll name it Panaverse Shop, and I'll simply open it with VS Code. Panaverse Shop. Okay guys, so here you can see that it is successfully cloned on my OS. So I'll simply install the packages with npm install command. Okay guys, so I have installed all of the dependencies by npm install command. Now I have to configure environment variables on this project. I'll just simply click on this file and we'll create a new one from the main directory .env, and I will simply click all of these environment variables and then simply click on and simply paste it here. And now I have to configure these settings. So company name would be Panaverse. Okay, so Twitter Panaverse edu, and Twitter site I will simply is our official Panaverse.co, and site name Next.js Frontend. Shopify Backend Commerce 2.0. Okay, Shopify revalidation secret and Shopify storefront access token and Shopify store domain. So is here Shopify storefront access token. This is what we have already done, and then Shopify revalidation secret. Okay, so I have to paste. Okay guys, so now I have to create webhooks for listening these events. These are the events. I'll just simply copy these events and I will simply paste it directly here. And now as you know that I have already configured ng-rock on my operating system. Okay guys, so now I have to run this project on localhost, so I'll simply do it with pnpm run dev, and then I will simply go to here and run this command that they have led ng-rock http3 and 3000 ng-rock http 3000, and then I will simply click on enter. So here you can see that ng-rock has successfully forwarded us a link, so I will simply copy it and paste it on this API file. Okay, so now I have to create and add these webhooks. So all I have to do is just preset it a bit. I will set the API directory, app API, and revalidate. Okay, app API revalidate, and then so first secret is equal to, this is the secret that we have already generated. Basically this is the UUID that we have generated from here. You can also generate it. I will simply paste it like this, and then I will simply copy this and go to here, settings, and then notifications, create webhook, collection and create, event type is collection and create, format is JSON, URL is this one, and version is latest. So I will simply click on save, collection, and then collection delete, create webhook, collection delete, paste the same URL, webhook API version is latest. Oh sorry, I think collection deletion. Okay, and next one is collection update, same URL and latest API version, and simply click on save. We have done these three ones, and now products, create, delete, and update. Create webhook. Where is the product? Okay, this one. So latest product, create, and then product delete, and last one is I think product update. Okay, so here it is, and then latest one, and then simply click on save. So we have configured these webhooks, and now the next step is to simply configure the CMS if you want to do or if you want to update or create your products or new collection, then you can follow all of these steps. So deploy the project. Okay guys, so now all I have to do is just deploy this project on GitHub and then deploy all of this stuff on Vercel. So I will simply deploy it on GitHub. I mean push all of the stuff on GitHub repository so I can deploy it on Vercel. Okay, so let me see. Okay, alright, great. So now I have to simply copy all of these environment variables that I have just configured. So now I will go to vercel.com/Asharib and then add new project and pen our shop and simply paste all of these environment variables and simply click on deploy. So let's wait a bit until this project is completely deployed on Vercel. Okay guys, so let's wait. And our shop, okay, great. So confettis are bubbling. So let me see what it creates for us. Okay, great. So guys, here you can see that this data is coming from Shopify and the front end is in Next.js. So this is what Commerce 2.0 is trying to do. So let me just buy this product. I'll simply click on add to cart and then simply process to checkout. So this is all for this video. If you have any question or if you are getting any errors, you can get in touch with me on my social handles, or you can follow this all-in-one guides that I have also followed. So yeah, stay tuned. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.